Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Man, I'm down here at 2 Stacks. They told me they close in 11 minutes. I got 11 minutes to get a door latch and a O2 sensor plug. Let's hustle. What in the world is going on here? They went from the cars being too low to too high. Oh Lord. I think I see the car I need down there. Well, the door latch I need was busted. Let me head over to that 850. See if that 850 has the other piece I need. Well, party people, on this cool December day, I'm going to put the winter wheels on Lemonade because I got to make a couple of runs. I don't want to get stuck in no bad weather somewhere without my winter tires on the car. Man, this car. I think this door is fine, just that fender is beat up pretty bad in this rocker panel. Anyway, let me go ahead and break all these lug nuts loose and swap these wheels. This car is kind of close to the wall. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the jack in there. So I actually brought some dollies to pull this car away from that wall with the dolly. So let's see how that works for me. So Lucille is too close to the wall. I can't even get Henrietta in there. So I might be able to get the regular tool in there, but I don't know if I can get the wheel out. There may not be enough room to get the wheel in it now. So I went and bought these vehicle dollies. I'm gonna put the front wheels on those, slide the car a little bit off away from the wall so I can get those tires off of that other side, or at least the front one. Then I'll push it back, let it back down, and do the same for the rear. So let me go ahead and get these dollies on here. I'm gonna put these together. The best way to put them together is, of course, you want to handle these on the outside of the vehicle. So you want the casters with the locks on them, the wheel locks on them on this side. So put those on that side. And on the other side, you're going to put a flat washer, then a lock washer. So you got a flat washer, then a lock washer, then a acorn nut. Those acorn nuts seem to be 19 millimeter. I would probably torque them down to about 35 foot-pounds. Let's see if they have a torque setting here for them. I don't see a torque setting. 25 foot-pounds may be good. But again, put the casters with the wheel locks on them to the outside. And that's where your handle's going to be, on the outside, so you can grab them and pull them out. All four. If you're using two like I am, you want to get the car up high enough for you to slide this under it. And the key to all this is being safe. You don't want your car roll away. I got the back wires chalked so they can't move. And when I let the vehicle down on this, I'm going to go to the other side and try to push the car away from the wall. That's my goal in using these. I got the car on the dollies. I got the back wheels blocked. I got the locks on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and take the locks off. Make sure they don't roll. Should be stopped by the front over there. If it starts rolling, the only thing I could do is get out of the way, because I don't have any way of stopping this car from going forward. Okay. The casters are off. Wheel locks. I'm going to go to the other side and try to scoot the car over toward the yellow car. And it should move over. I had moved about an inch. I'm going to keep pushing it. Get it over about 6 more inches where I can get this wheel off. Well, I wrapped it up for the night. Man, I could not move that car much on those dollies. I moved that thing about 2-3 inches. That was enough to get the wheel out. I barely got the wheel out the back. I just couldn't wedge myself in between the wall and the car to push that thing out. So that dolly idea was a fail somewhat. But I did get the winter tires on Lemonade, so that was my goal. I didn't want to get caught somewhere in some kind of snow situation without my winter tires on. Those winter tires, man, I'm really impressed by those. Other than that, I went down in the basement and checked that battery that was bad. It's been on the charger for about 2 weeks. I tested that thing. That thing checked good. It's 87% health, 100% charge. So leaving that thing on that charger, that NOCO charger, NOCO 5, man, that resurrected that battery. I've heard people say that you could resurrect dead batteries. So, man, that thing, it did it, leaving it on there for a couple weeks. So I had that other battery down there that was 7% health and 100% charge some time ago. I went on ahead and put that charger on that, see if it resurrects that battery. That thing was like, wouldn't even do nothing on my battery tester. So we'll see how that turns out. I am going to dash out to Virginia to pick up some parts and help a guy. I was supposed to finish his tuning stuff. Man, I would say almost 2 years ago, year and a half ago. So I'm going to try to go finish that, then come back home, head to Chicago, do a manual swap and a couple other minor things for some people out there. I'm going to be done in Chicago by the 14th because I got to be back home by the 14th. I got a flight going out the 15th. So, man, the manual swap should only take a day or two. A couple other things I got going on up in Chicago shouldn't take a day each. So let's see how that stuff goes. So appreciate you all watching. I hope you have a great day. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.